In a landscape often dominated by tradition, the firearms industry is currently undergoing a profound transformation. We are witnessing a bold new era where innovation isn't just a buzzword, but a relentless pursuit of perfection. From ingenious compensator designs that defy manufacturing norms to modular chassis systems that redefine customization, the modern handgun is pushing boundaries previously thought impossible. Manufacturers are no longer content with incremental improvements. They are delivering pistols that fundamentally alter the shooting experience, offering unparalleled accuracy, recoil management, and adaptability. This isn't merely about new releases. It's a testament to engineering prowess, driven by a demand for superior performance. Join us as we meticulously examine 6 pistols that are not just setting new standards, but actively charting the future of personal defense and competitive shooting. Number 1. Sig Sauer P211 GTO. The Sig Sauer P211 GTO is not just a firearm. It is a declaration, a bold statement from Sig Sauer that they intend to redefine the 2011 market, not merely participate in it. From the moment you examine its construction, the dedication to precision engineering is evident. The slide, meticulously crafted from stainless steel, perfectly complements the lightweight aluminum grip module. Both components are manufactured to tolerances typically reserved for custom shops, ensuring an impeccable fit and finish that translates directly into enhanced performance and durability. Within this expertly crafted slide resides a 4.4-inch bull barrel, featuring optimized rifling specifically tuned for match-grade ammunition. The result is staggering accuracy, with this pistol capable of achieving sub-MOA groups at 25 yards. To put this in perspective, that is the kind of precision usually associated with bolt-action rifles, now delivered from a fighting pistol. However, the true game-changer, the hallmark of innovation in the P211 GTO, is its compensator. Unlike traditional designs that are either threaded on or milled as an integral part of the barrel, Sig Sauer has pioneered a 3D printed compensator. This revolutionary manufacturing process allows for the creation of intricate internal gas channels, baffles, and ports that would be impossible to replicate with conventional machining methods. The functional payoff is remarkable, a 30% reduction in felt recoil, achieved while maintaining the pistol's impeccable reliability, a critical factor for any serious firearm. The trigger system is pure competition grade, a single action-only design that breaks crisply at just 2.5 pounds with absolutely zero creep. Its reset is so incredibly short and positive that it feels more like a whisper against the wall than a mechanical action, facilitating incredibly fast and precise follow-up shots. Furthermore, the P211 GTO boasts substantial capacity, with 21 rounds in the flush-fit magazine and 23 rounds with the extended version. Every single model is optics-ready, and all controls are completely ambidextrous, making it highly adaptable for any shooter. While its price point is extremely high, and the maintenance is more complex due to its advanced design, the P211 GTO represents Sig Sauer's moonshot, a glimpse into the audacious future of pistol design and performance. It is a flagship that challenges preconceived notions, demonstrating what is truly possible when cutting-edge technology meets uncompromising design. Number 2. Staccato C2. Claiming a prominent position on our list is the Staccato C2, a pistol that fundamentally alters the conversation around concealed carry. This is not another variant of a polymer-framed striker-fired handgun. Instead, it boldly presents itself as a double-stack, hammer-fired 2011-style carry gun. The C2 masterfully fuses the high-performance attributes of a competition pistol with the practical demands of concealed carry. Its foundation is a lightweight aluminum frame, which contributes to its manageable weight and excellent balance, crucial for a firearm intended for daily carry. Chambered in 9mm, it offers a robust 16-round capacity and features a 3.9-inch bull barrel, engineered for both accuracy and durability. The true marvel of the Staccato C2 lies in its trigger system. It is exceptionally crisp, remarkably short, and possesses an unbelievably fast reset. This delivers the quintessential 1911-style break, free from any extraneous slop and imbued with the kind of speed that serious shooters demand. Recoil control is where the C2 truly distinguishes itself. Thanks to its all-metal construction and a finely tuned balance, this pistol feels utterly locked into the shooter's hand during rapid fire sequences. It operates with a smooth, rapid, and incredibly flat recoil impulse, enabling surgical precision with follow-up shots. The C2 arrives optics-ready, with factory milling and various plate options available to accommodate a wide array of red dot sights, enhancing its versatility. Its grip strikes a perfect balance, providing a secure hold without sacrificing comfort, which is vital for extended range sessions or all-day carry. While acknowledging its premium price, the Staccato C2 earns its moniker as the Corvette of concealed carry pistols. It is a sleek, refined, and high-performance machine. The investment secures not just a firearm, but an experience. For those accustomed to standard striker-fired pistols, transitioning to the C2 reveals a new echelon of shooting, akin to upgrading from economy to first class. It is an elite-tier carry gun, meticulously engineered for shooters who demand superior performance and delivers on that promise in every conceivable category. Number 3. Heckler Koch CC9. Sliding into our top 6, the Heckler Koch CC9 represents a significant landmark for the venerable German manufacturer. This pistol is Heckler Koch's very first foray into the micro-compact segment, and notably, it is being built entirely within the United States at their state-of-the-art facility in Columbus, Georgia. This domestic production decision is critical, bypassing German export restrictions and U.S. import complexities, allowing the CC9 to be engineered specifically from the ground up to address the unique demands of the American concealed carry market. The build quality of the CC9 is unequivocally classic Heckler & Koch. It exhibits tight machining tolerances, overbuilt internal components, and that signature attention to detail that becomes immediately palpable the moment the slide is racked. Every aspect of its construction exudes the robust reliability and precision synonymous with the brand. What truly elevates the CC9 beyond mere novelty is its rigorous development and testing protocol. The prototypes for this pistol endured an astonishing 750,000 rounds of live fire before its public release. This was not a marketing stunt but a deliberate, intensive torture test designed to certify the CC9 under the stringent NATO AC225 durability standards. Such military-grade validation places this pistol in an elite category of resilience and operational longevity, a pedigree that becomes evident in its smooth trigger operation and its highly adaptable modular chassis system. The CC9 is optics-ready directly from the factory, negating the need for adapter plates, and features fully ambidextrous controls that are crisp, positive, and engineered for a lifetime of dependable service, characteristic of every Heckler & Koch firearm. While it commands a premium price, as is expected of an HK product, and initial aftermarket support might be limited, its exceptional engineering, NATO-grade durability, and modular design position it as a formidable contender for the title of most reliable micro-compact carry pistol on the market today. The aggressive grip, while effective, might require some consideration for bearskin carry, and its takedown process is slightly more intricate than most striker-fired carry guns, yet these are minor points against its overall outstanding performance and build. Number 4. Springfield Echelon 4.0. The Springfield Echelon 4.0 stands as a compelling testament to Springfield Armory's ambition to not just compete with, but to redefine the modern striker-fired pistol. It is presented as a modular, immensely adaptable, and exceptionally accurate shooter that is capturing the attention of even the most devoted Glock enthusiasts. The Echelon is more than just futuristic. It embodies a vision for the future of handgun design. At its conceptual core lies the Central Operating Group, or COG. This innovation represents Springfield's sophisticated response to Sig Sauer's fire control unit, found in the P320, arguably executed with even greater refinement. This fully serialized drop-in unit allows users to effortlessly swap out frames and reconfigure their setups, much like assembling a custom loadout. Whether a shooter desires a full-sized grip paired with a shorter slide, or requires red dot compatibility with ample suppressor height clearance, the Echelon's modularity offers a multitude of options. This particular 4.0 model is distinguished by its 4-inch hammer-forged barrel, precisely paired with a compact-length slide and a full-sized grip frame. It ships standard with a flush-fitting 17-round magazine, with optional extensions available to boost capacity to an impressive 20 rounds of 9mm. However, the Echelon's most groundbreaking feature is undoubtedly its optic mounting system. The variable interface system is, hands down, one of the most versatile and user-friendly optic setups currently on the market. It ingeniously eliminates the need for cumbersome adapter plates, allowing shooters to mount their preferred red dot sight directly to the slide via a clever pin system. This system supports dozens of different brands and footprints right out of the box, offering unparalleled compatibility. Complementing this advanced optics capability are tritium notch sights, deep and aggressive slide serrations that provide excellent purchase, and a recoil impulse so flat it borders on the suspicious. While the 4.0 variant forgoes an integrated compensator, Springfield thoughtfully offers longer-barreled versions that incorporate this feature. The Echelon's meticulous design clearly indicates a forward-thinking approach, positioning it as a very serious contender in the modern handgun market for those seeking adaptability, precision, and robust performance in a single package. Number 5. Walther PDP Pro X Parker Mountain Machine. Entering our list as a powerful contender. The Walther PDP Pro X Parker Mountain Machine is a collaboration that exemplifies what happens when elite German precision engineering converges with the innovative spirit of top-tier American custom builders. This pistol is a masterclass in design, specifically crafted as a fully compensated duty pistol that delivers exceptionally flat shooting characteristics without sacrificing the practicality required for everyday carry. The undisputed star of this firearm is its compensator, which is far from being a mere aftermarket attachment. It is a fully integrated component, seamlessly engineered directly into the slide and barrel assembly. This sophisticated design features a 4-inch slide with an integral compensator precisely positioned over a ported barrel. This meticulously integrated system achieves an impressive 30% reduction in recoil compared to a standard PDP model, a substantial advantage in both competitive and defensive scenarios. With a solid capacity of 18 rounds in the compact variant and 20 rounds in the full-size version, alongside 10-round options for restrictive states, the PDP Pro X is well equipped for sustained engagements. The gas system is intelligently engineered to vent gases upward and slightly forward, a design choice that effectively pins the muzzle down on target, preventing undesirable muzzle flip, all without directing hot gases back towards the shooter's face. On the range, this pistol's performance is nothing short of outstanding. Multiple rapid-fire strings reveal minimal muzzle movement, allowing for exceptionally fast and accurate follow-up shots. In the current production market, there is virtually no other offering that can genuinely compare to this level of integrated compensation and performance. Beyond the compensator, the pistol features Walther's renowned performance duty trigger, offering a crisp break and rapid reset essential for precision shooting. The aggressive gripure ensures the pistol remains firmly anchored in the hand, even under stressful conditions. While it comes with a premium price tag and its slightly longer slide may limit holster options initially, the PDP Pro X Parker Mountain Machine stands as a testament to collaborative innovation, delivering a duty pistol that is as capable as it is groundbreaking. Number 6. Kimber R7 Mako Carbon Compact. The Kimber R7 Mako Carbon Compact is a pistol that demands a second look, challenging preconceived notions about Kimber's traditional offerings. This is not a peripheral experiment, but a purpose-built, premium concealed carry firearm, loaded with features that signify Kimber's serious entry into the striker-fired arena. Representing a significant evolution from the original Mako design, the Carbon Compact has been strategically enhanced in key areas without compromising its inherent concealability. Chambered in 9mm, it ships with either 11 or 13-round magazines, providing ample capacity for a daily carry weapon. The truly distinctive feature of this pistol is its carbon fiber reinforced polymer frame. This advanced material makes the frame not only significantly stronger and stiffer than typical polymer frames, but also remarkably lighter, contributing to improved longevity and quicker, more responsive handling during the draw. The ergonomics of the R7 Mako Carbon Compact are top tier, featuring a fully modular grip with 4 interchangeable backstraps, allowing shooters to precisely fine-tune the fit to their individual hand size. This level of customization is crucial for optimal recoil management and comfort. The pistol also incorporates a flared magwell for expedited reloads, aggressive U-ring across the grip for secure handling, and fully ambidextrous controls for both the magazine release and the slide stop, a welcome feature for left-handed shooters. Kimber has spared no expense on the sighting system, equipping the R7 Carbon with True Glow Tritium Pro Night sights as standard. These feature a high-visibility orange ring on the front sight and white dots in the rear, providing excellent target acquisition in all lighting conditions. Furthermore, the slide is factory cut for red dot sights utilizing the RMSC footprint, ensuring seamless co-witness functionality with the iron sights right out of the box. The trigger mechanism is a flat-face design that breaks cleanly, offering a level of responsiveness typically found in much pricier firearms. It is crisp, predictable, and instills a high degree of confidence with every shot. The R7 Mako Carbon Compact is a rugged, refined, and refreshingly original offering that effectively positions Kimber as a serious innovator in the competitive landscape of concealed carry pistols. And there you have it, our deep dive into 6 of the most groundbreaking pistols currently redefining the firearms market. From the revolutionary 3D printed compensator of the Sig Sauer P211 GTO, offering bolt-action rifle precision in a handgun, to the unparalleled modularity of the Springfield Echelon 4.0, these firearms represent a significant leap forward in design, engineering, and performance. The Staccato C2 continues to set the benchmark for 2011 performance in a carry package, while the Heckler Koch CC9 brings NATO-grade durability to the micro-compact segment. Walther's PDP Pro X Parker mountain machine pushes the envelope for integrated compensation, and the Kimber R7 Mako Carbon Compact delivers premium features in a lightweight, adaptable design. The relentless pursuit of innovation evident in these models ensures that the future of handguns will continue to be a dynamic and exciting one. If this in-depth analysis provided value, please hit that like button, subscribe for more precise breakdowns, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these cutting-edge pistols caught your eye, and what other firearms would you like us to meticulously examine next? Your engagement fuels our mission.